Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the source and cabling. A noisy or unbalanced cable ruins everything. Set the channel trim low, around 9 o'clock, and master to a safe reference, 0 dB. Use headphones to monitor. This prevents speaker damage. Once done, raise the channel gain slowly until the input LED occasionally hits peak, then back off one step to avoid clipping. Make sure to use balanced connections when possible, because they reduce hum and maintain headroom. Now you shape tone. Engage a high-pass filter at about 80 Hz to remove low rumble that muddies the mix. Use a parametric EQ to sweep and find boxy frequencies around 150 to 400 Hz and cut them gently. Cutting preserves headroom versus boosting. For clarity, add a small boost between 3 and 6 kHz. Once done, alternate bypassing the EQ to hear the difference. This confirms each change improves the sound rather than simply finish by setting clean output levels. Aim for peaks below 0 dB and keep 3 to 6 dB of headroom for transients. If needed, insert a limiter or light compression with a gentle ratio, 2 to 4 to 1, and set the threshold close to the peaks to control spikes without squashing dynamics. Once done, perform a listening pass at performance volume. If you hear distortion, stop immediately, mute, and recheck gain staging and speaker wiring. Bad gain staging or loose connections usually cause distortion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.